This is Artneil Gaming, and in this video we're going to exchange for the MSC Nolan skin. So we need 35,000 MSC coins, and I already have 35,451. So it is possible to get this skin without spending any diamonds, but you have to do the task every day. Win one match, play one match, log in, share to get more coins. And if you were able to get the champion guest TLPH, you can get it. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the champion guest. See? So if I was able to vote for TLPH, I would have gotten 1,000 more. But no worries, because I already have so much more tokens. And since I didn't get to do the champion guess, I bought one support chest. So it only costed me 20 diamonds. But if I was able to vote for TLPH, I would have gotten this for free. So I'm saying that it is possible to get. And I'm sure other content creators also say that you can get this without spending. So let's get it now.
I trust this will be worthy of my talents.
Archon of Knowledge, Nathan. 643rd skin, 643 skin for my main account. So if you don't have any MSC coins left, then you can buy this premium skin fragment. And also, if you don't have enough tokens for the Nathan skin, you can also get this Claude skin or Atlas, Leomord, and also this statue. So I still have 800 more, and I still have to do these 3 tasks. So like I said, it's possible to get this without spending any diamonds. You just have to be very good in guessing the winners of this, the champion guess, the task. Too bad I wasn't able to do the champion guess, but it's okay. It's only 20 diamonds. You can get 20 Crystal of Aurora in return, and 3 more Banner of Morale if you're still lacking in MSC coins. So that's it, guys. Did you get the Nathan skin for free? Share it on the comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.